What made the night even more special were the big prizes that were given away to the lucky employees. Na-witness ko kung gaano kasaya ang mga empleyado sa kanilang Christmas party. Nakakatuwang makita ang mga matatamis na ngiti ng lahat ng tao.
Good evening, everyone. Is everybody having a great time tonight? Okay lang po ba? Thank you very much for LTGI for having me here. And of course, thank you, Mr. Ushuman.
160th na, no? So, nakaka-inspire yung ganong klaseng kwento, ganong klaseng storya. Yung sabihin talagang magaling sila mag-alaga sa kanilang mga empleyado. Kaya maraming salamat po at nabigyan ako ng chance naman na bigyan naman sila ng entertainment.
Nakasingin ko one of my favorite Christmas songs.
Masayang-masaya, ibig sabihin prosperity. Very, very good performer. Actually, idol ko si Sarah. Simple, maganda ang voice, sexy.
Hopefully, no, na-entertain ko naman sila at maraming salamat lang sa imbitasyon na mag-perform para sa kanila.
Ay, bongga na pas. Bang-bang yun. Talagang bang-bang talaga. Si Sarah G talaga, pag nag-perform talaga, hatak niya talaga yung mga tao. Sana ganun din ako in the future.
Masaya. Sarah Geronimo, oh my gosh, she really looks good, she looks great, she's in perfect shape, and she did a very good performance tonight with 3 numbers. We were hoping it'd be a little bit more, but really grabbed with the show that we have tonight. Talagang star-studded. We'd like to congratulate the Lusitan Group of Companies and everybody who made the show possible, and more success to the LTGI Group of Companies.
Thank you for inviting me, and of course, Merry Christmas sa lahat. Thank you, bye-bye.